What up, cheeks? Right now, it is currently Friday, August, not sure the date. I move into college in about 4 full days. Yeah, like what the heck? If you guys didn't see my big hair reveal, I got my hair cut. Yeah, I know. Crazy transformation. All right, guys, so I'm on my way to this hair appointment, and I'm pretty scared, like I said, but I'm so excited to get a change right now. So it has been a long time, and I've never touched my hair with dye before, so we'll have to see how this goes. You guys will be the first to see. Yeah, this is just like your, oh my god, I just like put that down, my cap was there. I don't really know if this is legal or not. But yeah, that's the hair natural. We'll see how it's gonna look. Hello everyone, so now I'm at the hair salon. I just got my hair done. This is Amanda. She's like the best person ever. And I just met her today. Hey. And I'm just at her little hair studio. And look at this, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. Like, I love it. And I'm so happy with how it turned out. This is the perfect back to school look and for college. And I'm just so excited and happy right now. So thank you to Amanda. She's like the greatest person ever. Thanks. And this is from the senior giveaway, and I'm so happy. But right now, we're starting to pack for college. Today, what I just started out by doing is I went through my closet and I was just taking out stuff that like I know 100% that I want to take. Right now, I just have all like kind of going out clothes. Yeah, we need a lot. I've heard that's like a most used outfits. We still have a lot of clothes in this closet, so still have to go through these. I didn't do sweatshirts or anything yet. I don't know how many sweatshirts I'm gonna take, but if anyone else is going to college, comment down below where you're going and if you're dorming or if you're online or not. But I'll do a whole like how college is gonna be video and everything, but right now it's just a pack with me, but 4 days to move. But a good way to store your clothes is just to get a very long plastic bin. This has wheels, which is really nice, so I can just wheel this under my bed. I'm gonna try to get as much clothes as I can into this one, and I do have one more. And I just went in my underwear drawer and I just took out like all the underwear that I'm taking, and then I went through my bra drawer and all the bras that I'm gonna be taking. I don't know how those are gonna be even stored, I'm not sure. And then over here, and then we have my favorite, our basket of snacks. I went to Walmart the other day and I just kind of put anything in the cart that looked good, especially like when I'm on another. So in this really nice big pink bin, we have it filled with snacks. Okay, hair dryer that I just bought. Also a really nice hair dryer, the Infinity Pro Conner. This bag here is filled with food. Of course, we had to get red Solo cups. You know, I don't know, maybe we'll be playing Pong in my room. We got some Tide Pods in here. Really good chocolate chip cookies. Hopefully I don't open those before I even get there. Of course we have candy, you know, not really a shocker to probably most people. And everything I have in here, like in an engineering way where like I like tried to get everything in like a order where it would all fit. It worked. And I could definitely fit more in here, but we have, you know, some Velveeta, we have some coffee cups. I'm gonna try this Great Value brand. I don't even know how that's gonna be. We have a lot of Velveetas, got some Coke, lots of popcorn, of course more candy. These are peanut butter pretzels. We have some utensils. And under there, there's some cereal and a bunch of different things. Also, shout out to my big sis Olivia for making me this adorable scrapbook for my graduation. And it is so cute. There's some really funny pictures in here. Like, look at me as a little baby. Oh, hey, Olivia says diva. I guess that explained me. When I was younger, I was a diva. All right, and then here, I just pulled out all my jeans. This is what I'm saying I'm taking, but like this is kind of a lot. I don't even wear jeans that much, but I need to take them. And then we have like some sweats, you know, comfy pants. And then of course leggings. These are the ones I pulled out that I for sure want to bring, like my Athleta, my Lulus, those are all being brought. But I probably have more to bring because leggings are a staple. And then right now the sheets that I have to the bed are just these really cute like blue and purple like leopard ones. I don't know, I think we got them on like PV or something. And my comforter is down the basement, which I went to Big Lots yesterday and got some more snacks. Got some like animal crackers, a little peanut butter to go, and some toasted cheese crackers. And I'll show you guys some other things that I recently bought for my dorm. So I got this really cool like metal dry erase board and frame. It comes with some magnets and some markers, and it was on sale for $3 at Marshall's, like a freaking steal, right? And for my makeup, which let's hope that I can limit myself to enough makeup to just go into this acrylic container. So I only would like to bring makeup that can actually fit into this. I mean, obviously the bigger palettes, like that doesn't count. Like palettes, I can bring as many. I also got this little one as well here, and I thought like I could put like maybe makeup brush, some makeup brushes right there, and like my everyday stuff in here. But let me just show you how much makeup I have right now, and then you'll see how hard it's gonna be for me. So this acrylic drawers, those are just all filled with makeup right there. It's gonna be hard. Something else I just bought was just this body pillow cover from Target, and it's this really nice like white Sherpa. And I do have a body pillow, so this is gonna go on it, and I think a body pillow would just be nice to put on like the side of my bed that's up against. And then I'll just bring you guys over here to show you guys some of this stuff. But my aunt actually, or my whole cousins and aunt, they got me this really cool basket of a bunch of stuff. So in here we have, you know, some little hand towels that will be in great use. We have some like body towels, a really pretty like powder blue color, and just kind of, you know, really good like basic things. Of course she got me candy, like, because that's an essential of mine, she knew that. And then, you know, some little like pens, some stuff to go back, notepads, a little shower caddy, a magnifying mirror, a Turby twist. This is a toolkit that my Grammy got me, some little water shoes and that kind of stuff. And then my other aunt also got me a basket of goodies. I kind of went through that already, and there was a bunch of amazing things in there. And she also got me this really cool Ohio State Tervis cup. Like, please tell me that's sick. I can't wait to have this in my dorm and drink all of my great ice water in it. Yeah, and of course we do have some TikTok lights. Yeah, those are gonna go up. Some stationery stuff. OSU playing cards. Yeah, an umbrella. We have some razors, the good ones, peeps. We need to have those nice shaped legs. Oh, another thing of razors. Tide stick. You know, some essentials in there. That needs to be organized though. And then down here is where we have all of our, like, you know, that boring cleaning stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be in good use though. We have some Downy dryer sheets. Oh wait, this is the shower washer I'm bringing. It's the Milk and Honey by Hemps. It's a good one. Like hand sanitizer, lotion, Downy Unstoppables to make my clothes smell bomb, OxyClean Purell wipes, body wash, some Advil. This is this amazing robe my cousins got me. I'm excited to wear that. We have a notepad for my desk. But I just grabbed a hunk of clothes right now, and I think I'm gonna try to start seeing how like they would go into this bin, because I need to start somewhere, and this is gonna be our start with the clothes. Because I know that this one, the clothes journey, it's gonna be a multiple day thing, not just today. Right now here I have a bunch of my skirts. Like, are you allowed to like roll skirts? Hopefully. These are really cute. Up there. And I also did buy a steamer, so pretty excited about that, so then I'll be able to iron my clothes every time. Guys, I think I'm just a little bit of an idiot. Yeah, I'm stupid, so we're gonna put these back on hangers, and I just like wasted my time. If they're gonna go in my closet at my dorm, why wouldn't they be on a hanger now? Don't take my tips, but you can put sweatshirts and sweatpants in these, and jeans. Welcome back to the Packing for College vlog, and today is now Monday, August 17th. We are approaching the day of Wednesday, and it's at night right now. I've been just like kind of sporadically packing. I've been like really busy doing a lot of things, but the one big clear box I did fill up with clothes, so I'll show you guys some progress that I've made. So as you can see, this is pretty filled to the brim. There's a little gasping for air here. And in here I just have like jeans, leggings, sweatpants, a little bit of pajamas, and just kind of miscellaneous clothing items. And then I just went through my bathroom and I put into this little shower basket thing a bunch of different beauty products that I need. And also me and my roommates, we could do some little animal masks for my roommate and other just, you know, products. And I gotta get my irons out. And now I'm also doing stationery. So I was just kind of going through my desk and different things and getting different stationery items to put in here and other things. So we have like the dry erase board I showed you guys earlier, and just you know, pens, highlighters, pencils, and I'm still filling it up. I have this book I want to read, so I was gonna put that in there. I don't know if I'll get to that. This wireless charger will go in here. This is just kind of like a miscellaneous thing and stuff that will go like by my desk. And look at this mess. I know, it's just gotta be gone through. But I'm getting like, you know, into all the college stuff and trying to unpack things and all that stuff. So hopefully by tonight I want to be done with all my clothes. So I have all of my hanger clothes all on its hangers, which I'll show you. It's in my sister's room so I can like get it out of my way. So these are all of the hanged clothes that I'll be bringing. I had to put them all in the same exact felt hanger because I wanted them all to be the same. So they're all here. Hopefully all these fit in the closet. If they don't, we'll make it work. Look how cute this mug my aunt got me is. It says, "Beautiful girl, you can do hard things." Thank you. Hopefully I can. So now it is 1:07 a.m. I did some packing in the meantime, but kind of forgot to put the camera on. So far I did this whole bin, and I have like sweatshirts. I have to be like kind of quiet. Sweatshirts and stuff in them, but I have still a lot of more things to put in it or show you guys. And then I'm going to show you guys kind of some must-have college essentials. Hope you guys can like hear me. What up, chicas? And right now it is currently Wednesday, August 19th, which I move in this day, but it's 2:20 a.m. and all day and all night I've been finishing packing, and I'm pretty much almost done. Also, something that you should pack is like maybe like a board game or something fun you and your roommates can do, and I'll show you what I brought. It's called For the Girls. Adult party game, you know, gotta be an adult, 18 or over. I just condensed my large makeup drawers into this. That's all the makeup I'm bringing. Alright, and then today I also went to the dollar store. I know, the dollar store. And I just got some random crap for my dorm. We got two storage containers that are pink. We got some little like Tupperware magnetic pom-poms for like my fridge. Cute, I know. A mesh kids bag for like bras and stuff for like the laundry. We got some bobby pins, some push pins, this belt hanger, which I was gonna try to like use to put necklaces on to like separate them. Table tennis balls. You guys know what these are used for. Pong, water pong. Dry erase markers for like my little dry erase board. And then I got 3 colors of like these bins just to like organize like where my food is and like all that kind of stuff, because they're only $1. So that's my quick dollar store haul. Good morning, y'all, and it is